The actuality presents 7 popular myths that most people believe to be true. Brown sugar is much more healthier to eat than white sugar. Many people, despite extensive awareness, believe in this fact. It is very unfortunate that people still believe in this myth. Brown sugar is the same as white sugar in that it contains the same amount of calories. The only way that brown sugar is healthier than white sugar is because it undergoes less chemical treatment than white sugar. People who live sedentary lifestyle experience this, and most people believe this. It's a myth that people can catch up their lost sleep during the week in weekends. In addition to being false, it is very unhealthy and dangerous to lead such a lifestyle. You need to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day, and you cannot catch up on your sleep over the weekends because this is not a homework. Also, sleeping healthy can help you achieve your goals faster than people who don't get enough sleep. I don't know where this myth originated from. It is that Coca-Cola can dissolve a piece of meat in a couple of days. Honestly, people don't believe in such myths. If this were true, our body would be designed to produce Coca-Cola instead of the acids and other stuff. Coca-Cola can't dissolve meat, but it can be used to marinate it. This myth commonly originates from movies and TV shows. When someone is running and is shot at, he collapses then and there, and he or she won't move. This is absolutely false. If vital organs are not damaged with the bullet, the person can run a dozen feet more or so even after being shot, and this is talking about an average person. A very strong man can move about 30 feet or more even after being shot at. This is because of their strength. Mice love cheese very much and are always attracted to them. This myth, I guess, originates from TV shows like Tom and Jerry. But as much as I love that show, I hate to say this, that is absolutely fictional. Mice absolutely love peanut butter. Studies have shown that when given the option between peanut butter and cheese, mice 8 out of 10 times chose peanut butter. Even in the remaining 2 times, they barely touched the cheese before deciding to move on to peanut butter. This is one of the myths that arises due to no reason at all, or should I say word of mouth? Either way, it is just a myth. Burns heal faster when you apply oil on them. This is both scientifically and logically wrong, and any sane person will be wise not to believe this. When you apply oil over the burns, it creates a film of non-porous high-density, high-viscosity fluid over the area applied and will thus prevent any heat leaving the area. Also, ironically, like adding fuel to fire, it also prevents any coolants applied from outside to actually come into contact with the burnt area. Tea brewed in a teacup can be consumed at any time. It looks cool in TV shows and movies to do so, but reality is far different and far worse. Tea should be drunk immediately after it has been brewed instead of storing it in any container for longer periods. This not only cools down the tea, but also forms harmful chemical substances which lead to hazardous diseases and long-term effects. Also, there is the danger of tea mixing with the material of the container and being contaminated. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are a subscriber, thank you for your support. And if you are not, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you enjoyed this video, please do watch other videos too. See you guys next Sunday with another wonderful video. Thank you for your time.